Hello, welcome back to the Spider's Web, and in this video we're going to be doing an unboxing. And this, as you can see, Alan's with me, so we're going to be having a joint unboxing session. Now, this one is a box that I got for Christmas from Ali's mum, so thank you for that. Hopefully it's a good game. It's Jumanji. Right, so here we are with Jumanji. This hasn't been opened.
Brand new.
It is still sealed. It's got those little circular sellotape pieces that are really annoying.
Where's your knife, sir? Knife?
It is around somewhere.
My scissors are over there on the desk.
I think my knife might be over here. Hang on a second.
Okay.
So, oops, I've just splashed on the table. Okay, so Jumanji is a game, as you might be really amazed to find out. Adventurers beware, do not begin unless you intend to finish. Danger lurks at every turn and on every turn as you embark upon this epic adventure. Decode the secret rhyming messages, then race against time to roll the dice that can save you and your fellow players from the vicious croc's snapping jaws, the stealthy lion's ferocious bite, or the charge of the trumpeting elephants. Double cross your opponents by strategically placing the rampaging rhino to block the path as you scurry towards the centre of the board. Venture into the world of Jumanji if you dare, but be warned, you may not be able to escape the jungle's clutches. Ooh. Inside you get one game board, 4 wooden pawns, 1 rhino figure, 1 sand timer, 1 number die, 4 rescue die, 30 danger cards, 1 card decoder, 1 label sheet and 1 instruction sheet. Okay, and this is a game for ages 5 plus, I think I'm just about that, and it's for 2 players only.
And it's one set. I think it was sort of like a light bulb moment because we have watched the recent Jumanjis, haven't we?
Giddy aunt.
Oh, it's one of them ones.
Yes, it's one of them ones that you can't get into.
The actual, yeah.
I'm just making sure that every word's cut. Yep.
Hold the corners and shake it. Oh, I think this is part of the game.
Oh my giddy aunt.
Wow.
This is not coming out. Somebody put super glue down here. Or something.
It's really sealed, isn't it?
Yeah, it's in there. It's vacuum locked.
Don't know if there's anything in the box that can help.
Come on, you bugger, get out. Tell you what I'll do. Turn it upside down. I've never had this trouble trying to get into one of my game before. Wow.
There we go.
It is vacuum locked. Right, so. Well, that was a bit of a saga. So what do we have in the box? First off, we have this little bag of stickers.
They must go on these.
I'm just going to zoom in a little bit. There we are. So
let's see if my nails actually do something.
So we have this little pack of stickers, and I'm assuming these will go onto the die.
Picture here.
Yep, we have little black die, so we have 6.
Can you look a knife?
Yep.
I thought my nails might work.
So we have these, so we've got one symbol with a coil of rope, another which looks like an open door, another which looks like a raft, an axe, an egg timer.
Yeah.
In the sand.
I would say so.
A die, a racket of some description, and a cutlass by the look of it.
Oh look.
And then we have a rhino.
There are D6.
I'm going to call him Neil. Rhino Neil.
Is that an 8? The D8? Yeah, D8.
Yeah, Rhino Neil.
What's going on with this?
So we have 1d8 with numbers, and we have 4 black unmarked d8s, which these stickers will go on to, surprisingly enough. I'm not going to do that on camera.
Oh my gosh.
And we've got the sand timer, egg timer, what are you going to call it. So we have that. Oops.
Wow.
And that will be doing its business throughout the game. And we also have some nice little pawns. And I'm trying to work out if this is a 2-player game where we need 4 pawns, but I suppose we will find out with the instructions. But we have blue, red, orange and green.
Oh, right. I thought I've just had a look at these cards. Hang on, I'll just pick them up. And there you go. And oh my gosh, right there. There's a picture near my thumb and near my fingers. There's actually writing, but with a mottled red sort of pattern over the top, and I was like, I've seen that before. Now I've just oh gosh, I've just found this, and look what's on the back. I think that this just I'm glad we did. I'm glad you did that, Stephen, because I was going to rip that off. So I'm so glad we didn't do that.
Push that up, and it will filter out the red.
Oh, that's like.
And you're able to see
magic.
what is written there. I hope. Oops.
No.
It's probably a bit faint for the camera to pick up.
Shall I take a photo of it?
No. But you get the text. You get. It shows a picture of the axe. It says axe next to it. There's a number 3 in the right corner, and then there's some instructional text there. I don't want to spoil everything.
No.
But we have quite a few of these cards.
Yeah.
Which have different things in.
Oh, I quite like that.
I actually thought that was just like a dice roller. Dice rolling tray, but obviously not.
So glad I
So I'll pop that in there.
turned it over.
Next out we have
the instruction book. Basically it shows you one-time assembly, shows you like the labels, what Stephen went through, shows you the setup of the board, and again, adventurers beware, do not begin unless you intend to finish. And I'm just thinking, you know, your old drums at the beginning of your, that sounded a bit like in my memory, but how to play, and there you go, you've got it shows you how to play there. It looks quite simple.
Well, it's for ages 5 plus, so it can't be very hard. I think this was one of the jokey presents, really, of your mum. But
well, I think she got it and then she was like,
it's a bit of fun.
It's an age of that again. What age was it?
5 plus.
5 plus. But the thing is, a game's a game.
Yeah, exactly. As long as you enjoy playing the game, doesn't matter what age group it's for.
And spending time with people. And, well, when you're not in lockdown.
Exactly.
And you're allowed to.
Right, so
And how to win. Be the first player to reach the game board centre by exact count.
Right, I'm going to take issue with something on here.
Alright, okay.
I'm going to take the board out.
Yeah.
On here,
Oh,
it says 2 players.
yeah.
I just want to make this
Yeah, it does, yeah.
issue. It says on there 2 players.
Yeah.
On the instruction sheet, there,
Oh,
2 to 4 players.
2 to 4 players. Oh, so we could have played it with Mum. Oh, we could take it tomorrow. We can.
So,
Mum's in our bubble, so we can take
yeah.
it tomorrow.
So I have a little bit of an issue with that one. It's misleading on the box, but not to worry. By the Lord,
wow,
right.
I like this.
Bear with me. I'll zoom out.
Oh, it's all orange and orange paper. Oh,
There we are. So here we
sorry.
go. The decoder thing will fit in the middle there.
Yes. Oh, you zoomed it out.
Yep, I've zoomed out so we can see roughly everything.
You've
Yep,
got
you can see near enough everything.
a drawer and a discard.
So I'm not sure how everything sets up, but that's basically it.
Wonder what them for.
These.
No, that them. A card placed here brings dreadful news.
It's the Doomsday Grid.
This game is done. All players lose.
Yep.
Oh,
So we have the danger draw pile, which are these cards. These are the danger cards.
so they go there.
Yep.
Right. Oh,
And the rhino will start. Which way up is this?
there.
Right, the rhino starts it. No,
What?
that's red player.
So it starts up here then.
It must start up here. Yep, what can you say?
Oh, right.
I don't think it's actually. Yeah, this is the rhino's home base. So it will start up there somewhere. And then basically if I'll read on about this grid. Playing Jumanji is a race against time. As the game progresses, danger cards will start to fill up the grid. When a rescue fails, place the danger card on the grid. If the entire grid fills up before anyone gets to the game board centre, everyone loses. Another game must begin and be played until a winner is declared. Ooh! So,
Wow.
there we are. That is Jumanji. So you can play with 4 players,
Yes.
no matter what the box cover says. So if you have been looking at this game
2, 3, 4.
and you've you know, for some kids or for yourself or whatever, and you've been put off because it says there's 2 players on the box, ignore what it says on the box. It is a 2 to 4 player game. So there we are. But yes, that is Jumanji.
I remember what game it was. That was exactly the same as you couldn't open it. Scrabble. It was the modern Scrabble and the blue, the juniors one in the blue box.
Okay.
Sorry, I've been thinking. I was like, what? I remember about this being absolutely. So there you go. You know that little bit now.
But anyway,
Yes, exactly. Let's move on.
that was the unboxing of Jumanji.
Yep.
It seems quite an interesting game for one that is aimed at children, so we'll just see how we get on with it. So that's it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Until next time, from Ali
Smell, imagine and believe.
and from me, as always, take care, God bless, and bye for now.